Hello everybody on YouTube. I hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day today. So today I'm cooking on the barbecue again. I did say yesterday in my other video when I was using skewers that I've got some chicken in the fridge. I'm going to get it in some jerk sauce and there it is there. So the chicken's in there. It's been in there for a while now. I was going to do it last night but forgot all about it, kind of fell asleep. And yeah, so that smells fruity, that does. What I'm going to do is I've got some bacon, some thin streaky bacon. Going to do the same as what I've done yesterday, but hopefully this time you'll be able to see it. I did notice that when I was editing the video last night that yeah, I was kind of up here rather than down here. So hopefully in this one you should be able to see what I'm doing. So Isle of white tomatoes, all different sorts in there, which is great. Still got some mushrooms somewhere there, and I got a pepper. I noticed I checked the other pepper. I had an orange pepper as well, and that had started to go off, so that's no longer with us. So yeah, I've got chicken there, mushrooms there, bacon there. I've got some Sokolow sausage, Polish sausage. This is a bit of M&S streaky bacon, and these are chicken and pork sausages. You can see that or not? So chicken and pork. What I'm going to do with them, hopefully, is pull them out. You can see. Just going to chop them into bits, and they're going to go on the skewers. So the skewers been soaking in the water for a couple of minutes now, so they probably need a little bit longer, and then they'll be good to go. But what I might do, in fact, what I think I'm going to do, so I'm going to just chuck that sausage there in this bag with the chicken. You can see in there or not, but yeah, it smells fruity. So I'm just going to chuck them in there like that. Give them a bit of a mix around, so they can take on that jerk flavour as well. Then we get our skewers out and give it a go. Barbecue's already lit. Well, the chimney's lit. And yeah. Right, so a bit of prep, I suppose. I'm going to cut this pepper up, or try to. Hopefully you can still see. Brilliant. Hopefully you can hear me all right. So there you go, that's that done. That's that in the bin. So a bit of pepper there. Just going to chop that in half. Maybe chop that in half as well. And yeah, just going to chuck that in a bowl there. That's ready to go. Cut these mushrooms. I might leave them like that, whatever. So that one there. Get some mushrooms chopped up, ready to go. That's mushrooms and peppers. Yeah. Can't think if I put anything else in it yesterday, do I? Got some sausage there, tomatoes there. Right, let's have a go, see if we can get these together. Hopefully, he says. Is that 1 or 2? That is 2. So, just going to stab that with that. Get tomato in there. Tomato on. Put it back a little bit. Feed that on there. Bit of mushroom. I'll go that way instead, that might be a bit easier. And then just poke that over there. Bit of tomato. Bit of bacon. Bit of pepper. And a bit more, just feed that down. Let's have a bit more bacon. Let's see if we can get some of this messy out. There you go, bit of jerk. Bit of sausage. Bit of chicken. Bacon. Bit more sausage. Bit more bacon. Bit more sausage. And there you go. So a meaty feast to be had there. So hopefully if I can get hold of a piece of chicken, a skewer, bit of mushroom, bit of sausage, bit of tomato. Try not to fling it everywhere. Bit more mushroom. Maybe another tomato. A bit of sausage. Bit of chicken. And oh, let's have a bit of pepper, eh? Finish off with a bit of chicken. There you go. And there's another one done. Get tomato on there. Mushroom. Bit of pepper. Bit of meat. Bit of sausage. Bit more chicken. Bit more sausage. Bit more chicken. Another tomato. What if I can ever get it in there? There we go, a bit of tomato. Bit of mushroom, if it stayed on there. There you go, bit of mushroom, bit of tomato, bit of pepper. Something like that. And what we got left? I think this one's going to be a meaty one, this one. So I'm going to have a bit of sausage on there. Nice bit of chicken. Another bit of chicken on there. Bit of sausage meat. Another bit of chicken. A bit of chicken. Bit of mushroom on there. Bit of chicken. I think that's about it for the meat. Hopefully, he says again, hopefully. Oh, it's got some weight to that. There we go. Let's see if I can pull that down a bit. Some mushroom on there. It's just falling off. There we go. So that is that. Done with there. Right. Try not to touch anything. Oh. Let's get that on the pause. There we go. Lovely. Hopefully you can see. Don't know you can. There we go. So all four on there. Let them do their thing. It's coming on. It's looking good. Going for extra black today. Oh yeah. Looking good. So I think we're right about there. Oh yeah. I wasn't sure if it was cooked, completely cooked, so I just cut through, checking the meat, and there you go, cooked all the way through. I mean, yeah, looks good. I've not been ill up to now, so hopefully I can continue the streak. Right, there we go. I just got a bit of Chef Brown sauce. Have a bit of that in there as well. Get one of them and just Oh, I'll pull that fruit. Here we go. Hopefully. Not a wrap, but you know, a wrap. And yeah, it tastes good. It tastes very nice, actually. But that was a big swallow. That was. Yeah, looking lovely and nice, and nice and spicy as well with a jerk in there. Mmm. So back on bacon and sausages tomorrow, I guess. I got some. I got some sausages from M&S the other day. Oh, jerk paste. £1.85 it was. Dark chocolate digestives, Waitrose, £1.25. I think that's pretty cheap. And they're nice biscuits as well. I had a few earlier. There they are. That probably reads upside down, isn't it? That's up the right way at the moment, but you know. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, because it says that not a lot of people subscribe anymore, give us a subscribe, which will help the channel no end. Just keep watching the videos and I'll keep making them. Okay, everybody, enjoy your day and I will see you later. Bye-bye now.